In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change options for marking an email as read in Outlook. If you've ever opened a message and watched it flip to read before you were done with it, this quick adjustment will help you stay organized and avoid losing track of important emails. Start by opening your web browser and heading to your preferred search page. Type Outlook, then click the official Outlook website to open your mailbox. If you're prompted, sign into your account to continue. Once your inbox is visible, look to the top right corner and click the gear icon to open Settings. This opens a panel on the right side with quick options. In that panel, select Mail to access the full settings for your mailbox. Within the Mail settings, choose Message Handling. This is where Outlook controls how messages behave as you interact with them. Find the section labeled Mark as Read. Here, you'll see a few choices, and picking the right one depends on how you work. If you want Outlook to mark messages as read the instant you click them in the reading pane, choose Mark Displayed Items as Read as soon as they're selected. This is great for fast triage, where every click implies you've seen the message. If you prefer a short buffer, select Mark Displayed Items as Read After and set a small delay. This gives you a few seconds to preview a message without committing it to read. It's a good middle ground if you often click into emails just to take a quick look. If you want Outlook to wait until you move away from a message, choose Mark Displayed Items as Read when the selection changes. With this option, a message remains unread while you review it and is only marked Read when you click to another item, ideal if you don't want accidental clicks to change the status. Finally, if you never want Outlook to do this automatically, select Don't automatically mark items as read. With that choice, you'll manually mark messages as read when you're ready. After you've chosen the option that matches your workflow, click Save. Your change applies immediately. A quick tip: if your messages aren't being marked the way you expect, revisit this setting and try a different option or adjust the delay. You can always switch back. That's it. Simple, quick, and tailored to how you manage your inbox. Thanks for watching, and now you know how to control when Outlook marks your emails as read so your inbox reflects your actual progress.